and the TODI 4K is back. Hey guys, Eyes here of Cause Now Eyes Can. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. So I previously reviewed this TODI 4K camera lens or smartphone lens, and I purchased it because of the unique kind of mount it has, or the way that you have to mount it on your smartphone. Though I wasn't really happy or impressed with the wide angle performance, but I did mention that I will try and see if there is indeed a soft spot or a better way of mounting it to your phone. So after playing around with the mounting and doing a couple of test shots, sorting it out, throwing away the bad ones, this is what I got. Well, as you can see, with the photos that we have here, even after doing a lot of tweaks and trying different mounts or different style of mounting and even using a tripod, the degradation of focus is still there. As long as you go off center, you will see that the focus starts to blur. Well, that's it guys. I just wanted to give you a quick video on the TODI 4K because I promised I will try to find a sweet spot. Unfortunately, at $30, it's not something that I will invest on or recommend for you guys to invest on. Especially mounting or screwing the lens on the holder is a bit of a pain. It's more of a trial and error thing. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to leave them on the comment section below. And if you like the video, click on the like button and consider subscribing and hitting on the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Until the next video, thanks again for watching guys, and let's all remember, we're all here to learn. Peace.